There is nothing better than sunshine, and I am getting it in this morning. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy Wednesday to you. I didn't even have to look at my watch to see what day it is because just finished up a swim workout for the Ironman. Oh my God, I am such a terrible swimmer. P-Rod, I got to connect with you, man, to get those tips. And I talked to you guys about the coach that I met last week. We're going to be attending one of his sessions here soon, but man, so much work to do on getting that swim down. But the workout is complete. Swam for 40 minutes, broke 1,000 meters today, which is an accomplishment, but just still lots of work to do. But let's talk markets here on this Wednesday. No big data coming, but President Trump is speaking right now in Davos, addressing the Greenland situation. I talked about that yesterday, if you want background on that. And right now, before I hopped on here, it is 9:21 a.m. Eastern time. I'm probably going to miss the open, which is fine because I got priorities here. But the futures were up. S&P futures were up about 28 points when I hopped on. Let's see if that sticks. Again, Trump is speaking. So if he says one thing that market makers don't like, down we go. So it's very well possible that I hop off of here, go log in, get ready to day trade this morning and see a sea of red. And I'll be looking for some retests at that point for some shorts. But just kind of looking at where we are, technically speaking, we tapped the 100 simple moving average on the daily on the Qs. On the SPX, we broke below the 50 with a big fatty of a bearish engulfing candle and looking like we want to come down and test that 100. So we'll see. Bitcoin's chart, oh my Lord, it just got smoked, man. Somebody's got it out for Bitcoin because they just keep blasting it. You want to talk about bearish engulfing, but right back down into the area where it was chopping for quite a bit. And then we had Netflix earnings yesterday, which really were a big dud. They're down this morning, I think around $4 or $5, nothing crazy. But there's going to be pressure downwards on Netflix until this acquisition of Warner Brothers is complete. They're doing, they proposed, I believe, an all-cash deal on that. So that's why we're seeing pressure there. It was a modest beat on their report, but their projections forward don't look great. But Netflix is still a great company. I'm going to add a few shares today, long term, very small, and I'll continue to add on the way down. There is a gap in the 700s. I don't know it off the top of my head what price that it's at. I don't have that price memorized, but I do know that there is a gap to fill down below. So I'll watch that price area to add a few more shares if it comes down there. And then we do have some other earnings reports coming this week. We have Intel tomorrow, but that's not the big story. The big story tomorrow is GDP. It's PCE, the Fed's preferred gauge of inflation. So those are definitely going to be moving the markets in what has already been a volatile week, a short week. And Friday, not much of anything. And then next week, I believe we have the Fed meeting. We have the Fed rate decision. They're not going to cut rates next week. And then we'll have the Powell presser. I'll be live streaming that. That is already linked on the channel. So check that out. And I think there's a strong chance we could get a hawkish Powell that comes out pissed off, raging, and just add some more volatility to things. So next week is shaping up to be fun, and we have all the big boy mega cap tech earnings, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, so loving this sunshine, man. This is just like, it's like a battery charger. I love it. And I was thinking the other day, I was like, we got snow all over the ground here right now, and I didn't share this with you guys. We're supposed to get 24 inches of snow on Sunday. 24. That's crazy. My kids are freaking out. They're super excited. So, but I can't wait for that first spring day in March when it's warm enough where you can wear a t-shirt outside, get outside for a run, just go enjoy the weather that's coming, see those flowers poke out from the ground. I'm definitely looking forward to that. So anyway, I want to share this with you guys. It is the start of day trading season here at Courage Pays Better Than Fear, kicking off Monday next week. I'm going to be doing lots of cool things in between the last week of January and March 31st to celebrate day trading season. So lots of tips, strategies, wisdom about day trading, teaching as much as I can about it, sharing a bunch of knowledge with you guys, and it's going to culminate in the return of my day trading boot camp class, which I haven't taught in quite some time, but I'm very excited to be doing that. So that'll be launching in April. But we're going to celebrate day trading from next Monday all the way through March 31st. We're going to celebrate it, cap it off with the day trading boot camp revival. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a lot of fun. And with that said, I hope you have some sunshine wherever you are in your neck of the woods. And oh yeah, Blueprinters. Night one was phenomenal. I was all geeked up, couldn't go to sleep. I'm like, man, this is such a great group. I'm looking forward to the wonderful things we are going to do this year. You guys were awesome. I tell you what, I truly am blessed to have all of you guys as part of the community, to work with you, to teach and learn alongside you. And we're going to make this an amazing 2026. You better believe that. All right, I need to shut up now. In the meantime, in between time, wherever you are in this beautiful world, as always, make it a great day, honor the moment, and most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.